Hi guys! Today we fixed the Google app not working. So first of all, if your Google app is not working, the very first thing you need to check is your internet connection. Because honestly, most of the time, the issue is just unstable internet. You can quickly look at your Wi-Fi or mobile data icon and make sure it's connected properly. If your internet is not stable, the app won't respond correctly. So make sure it's working fine before moving forward. Once your connection looks good, then we can try the next solution. Now, if your internet is working fine but the issue is still there, then don't worry. We'll fix it easily. Just open your App Store and look at the bottom right side where you'll see the search option. Go ahead and tap on that search bar because we need to find the Google app manually. This step helps us check if the app needs an update or not. After opening the search section, simply tap on the search field at the top. Now type Google and hit search, and you'll see the Google app appear in the results. Make sure you select the official Google app, not any other similar-looking apps. This is important because we want to update the correct app. Once the Google app appears in the results, just tap on it to open its details page. Here you'll see the full interface of the app, including options like Update or Open. Take a moment to make sure you're on the correct app page before proceeding. Now we're just one step away from fixing the issue. Now here's the main fix. Look for the update button on the screen. If you see an update option, just tap on it and let the app update completely. Sometimes apps stop working properly because they're outdated, so updating usually fixes everything. Once the update is done, your Google app should start working smoothly again. Now, if the issue is still not fully resolved, then don't worry, there's one last step. Simply restart your phone because this refreshes the system and clears temporary bugs. After restarting, open the Google app again and it should work perfectly fine. Honestly, this step works in most cases when nothing else does. So yeah, that's how you can easily fix the Google app not working issue. If this helped you, make sure to subscribe and also drop a comment if you still face any problem.